How to share your story on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your story on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open a VK. Now click on your profile here, and now click this one. Click on your profile and click view stories, and that's it. If you want to share it, all you need to do, just click this share icon here, and now you can send it easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.